Hey everybody, happy Black Friday. It's DJ the Money Coach, and I'm here to give you the best Black Friday gift ever. Complimentary free consultation with yours truly. I'm going to teach you how to become consumer debt free, get an 800 credit score, earn six-figure passive income, and build the pom-pom lifestyle. That's plenty of money and peace of mind. And all you have to do is take part in the ABCs of Wealth bundle. That's right. We're going to give you the ABCs of Wealth, Common Sense Strategy Achieving American Dream, the cost of financial ignorance, how to buy life insurance, health, auto, and retire with your dignity. And that's a $200 value in books alone, plus the consultation, which is over $1,000. You get it all absolutely free on Black Friday for less than $99. And all you have to do is hit that link, and you'll have the dream of a lifetime with DJ the Money Coach. I look forward to seeing you.